Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For Lissing, who played Jack for 5 seasons, this moment seemed like a natural progression for his career, and his character. Circumstances arose for me where I needed to leave When Calls the Heart for reasons that are very personal to me, he said in a Facebook Live, according to Entertainment Tonight.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Candace Cameron Bure. You may be able to find the same content in another format, or you may be able to find more information at their website. I bet $3 in Monopoly money they're gonna replace Lori Loughlin on When Calls the Heart with Candace Cameron Bure as a newcomer who takes over the cafe. This content is imported from Embed Name.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Nearly 2 years ago, the Australian actor announced his decision to leave the long-running Hallmark drama to pursue other passion projects. Having had time to reflect, Lissing opened up to ET about life after the series and the heartwarming reason he isn't looking back. It's funny the way the world works.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Ben Rosenbaum. Erin Krakow married to Ben Rosenbaum. She believes in herself and this thing gives her long-lasting success. From her breasts, waist, and hips, she measures 3'6", 2'6", 3'6" inches respectively.
Take our lead.
When Calls the Heart is continuing to move on without Lori Loughlin. The Hallmark Channel drama has been renewed for Season 8, a little over a year after the actress was dropped by the network in light of her alleged role in the college admissions cheating scandal.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.